Hey everyone, this is Heeva from over at Flush, and today we're going to walk through the assembly of our 12-pack shippers. This specifically is a 12-pack shipper for our 16-ounce straight-sided jars, but it will serve as a general assembly video for all of our 12 packs to come. So basically when you order the kit, it's going to come in separate pieces and will look a lot like this. The kit is comprised of this main bottom panel, these two longer pieces that are identical, and then 5 pieces that will be kind of accordioned together and all identical as well. So to start, I like to first pull these apart. They come apart really easily, and then just sort of set them aside like that. Then from there, I like to fold the bottom piece first. So the bottom piece has a few different scores that go across, and I like to just kind of start at folding each one of them completely over on themselves like that. Really helps kind of visualize how everything wants to fold and reduces the chance of having to fight anything when you're trying to fold it later. To start, we'll take one of these pieces, fold it in half completely, and then kind of hold it closed like this. Then we'll go to one side of the insert and fold the panel up, just like this, and then line up with one of the end slots on these shorter pieces with the insert, so just like that. And you can go ahead and press all the way down. From there, you can let go of the insert. Everything will stay together and will allow you to kind of grab the other side and do the same sort of thing. So once you have that, it's basically a process of repeat. You just grab another short piece, fold it over, align it up with the slots, and press down. Okay, so that's all the short pieces. What you're left with are just 2 of the long pieces, which again are identical. You just grab one of them, fold it over, and then with the slots that you see on it, just line it up with the rest of the insert. And I like to kind of wiggle it around to try to help locate the slots where they're going to be going into. It just helps, again, reduce the chance of fighting it when you're putting it together. You can press all the way down. It takes a little bit of pressure, but they go down nicely. We'll do the same thing with the remaining piece. Give it a little wiggle, and then press down. So there is the completely assembled insert. You can see it's just like one solid design. Solid panel on the bottom to help keep the containers from going through, and also provides an extra layer of protection on the bottom. So once you have the insert done, you can either place it inside of the box and pack it, but just to show you here, you can grab the jars and start placing them inside the insert while it's still outside of the box as well, depending on how you prefer to put it together. You can see the jars go in pretty snug. They don't want to fall in. You have to kind of give them a little bit of pressure to go down. And then the tops, you can see they line up just with the top, but a little bit under, so you don't have any actual contact with the box when you're folding it. All right, and there you have it. That's all the 16-ounce straight-sided jars inside the 12-pack. And now this insert, when it's all together, you can just kind of grab it like that, pull over the box, which comes with the kit and is sized specifically for this insert, and you can just place that into the box like that. The insert, when it's inside the box, has no wiggle room, and the flaps just close over like any old regular box that you have or used to taping up all day. So that's the assembly, the full assembly of the 12 packs. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Otherwise, thanks again.